Hey scientists! Today, we're trying a really cool experiment. We're about to witness a race between ice cubes. For this, we'll need a copper glass, some plastic film, a piece of fabric, an elastic band, aluminum foil, and 3 glasses. Let's see who is the winner. Put the materials on the glasses and then place the ice cubes on top. Now all you have to do is wait to see who wins. Whoa, the ice on the copper glass is the fastest. Come on, you've got this. Go, Copper, go! This experiment highlights the property of thermal conductivity. Thermal conductivity means how fast heat travels through a material. Copper is fast, plastic is slow. So copper is the best thermal conductor among the others. Pretty cool, right? And that's it for today's experiment. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more cool science. See you next time for another experiment.
Au revoir.